Today's day 9 of 30 days in the garage. If this is your first time tuning in, we're doing 30 videos in 30 days, mostly garage stuff, mostly motorcycle stuff, some go-kart stuff eventually. If you're interested in that, you know what to do. I wanted to keep working on the XS500 today, but I was driving my van around a little bit and I decided I had to do something else because I have this issue. Just making a turn. Yeah, so I got some flat filing cabinets. So today we're gonna talk about garage storage, and in particular, my storage in my garage, because I need to get that stuff out of my van. Dang it, I forgot the base. Garage organization and storage is pretty important to me just because I've had a lot of situations where I'm working on a project and I can't find a certain tool or a certain part that I know I have, and it costs me so much extra time just trying to find the part, or like I have to go and buy another part. Because of that, garage organization and storage became pretty important to me, especially when I figured out how to make it work so good. These are all my fasteners, so like all my nuts and bolts. Like for instance, this is all my 5/16ths. I just pull out this tray, it sits right here on the drawer, open it up. Oh, I need big, I need small, I need these nuts. Then when I'm done, I can just close it up. Make sure you close it up. And stick it back in the drawer. I'm a big fan of drawers because drawers are just like shelves, except you don't have to get all this shit out of the way. You don't have to get all this stuff out of the way to get to the things in the back. The drawer brings the things in the back to you. So that's why I'm a big drawer guy. And that's why I was pretty excited to find these flat filing cabinets. Typically they're used for like blueprints and like oversized documents and stuff like that, but in the garage they were great because they're so huge. Like, look at all this room. And there's so many drawers. Each of those little compartment boxes has like 10 compartments like this big. Look how many of those compartments you can fit in here. This is exciting stuff. It is. Look all the room you have. You could spread out all the screwdrivers. Every screwdriver could occupy its own little space in the drawer and you wouldn't have to dig around to find them all. You just need to be, they would be all right here. Another thing I want to use these for is parts. When I'm working on bikes and stuff, I'll buy a gasket kit and then I'll have like a bunch of leftover gaskets that I didn't use from the kit. And I'm like, well, where am I gonna ever put these that I'll ever find them again? I could just have all the gaskets all laid out and dig through them, no big deal. What I really wanted to use it for is when I buy stuff like this. These like parts assortments. Like this is a roll pin assortment. The thing is I was buying boxes like this that had everything already separated by size, and all the sizes were labeled, and I was taking them out of these and putting them into those bins, and it was just like way too much extra work, but almost all of these that I buy fit inside of these drawers. Like, check this out. You got your roll pins, you got your external snap ring assortment, you got your internal snap ring assortment, you got your wing nut assortment. I think I buy a new one of these like every time I go to Harbor Freight. 90-piece brake bleeder nipple assortment. Look at this. Ooh. And I thought maybe as an added bonus, I would just check. Oh, these are all really heavy. Let me just put these over here because there's room for all of it. Hey. But if I can get these clips off. Oh, it's so close. Oh, if I can do it like this. So guys, that's what's going on in the garage today. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, 30 videos, 30 days. Yesterday, the channel reached 13% of the goal, which is 1,000 followers. We got 130 followers yesterday, so thank you for joining me and thank you for supporting me. If you like this video, do the buttons, do the subscribes, and if you guys have any cool storage ideas for organization in your garage, post some stuff in the comments below. Thanks guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Time to do a thumbnail pose. Ooh!